Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. I think I want to change this because the link goes to selfhelpforyou.com. Links in the video description. It's under 10 bucks or under 15 bucks, depending on the version you want of this. And you can create unlimited children books. There's 5,000 prompts, and there's all sorts of ways to change them up. We'll take a look through that in a sec, but if you're interested in that, click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at selfhelpforyou.com. Yes, and then there is a quick little rundown of kind of generally what it does. There's 5,000 prompts in 100 categories, a clean, clickable Excel library, and you have full PLR commercial rights to what's generated. So you can create unlimited children's books. It's pretty amazing. And so they're long form prompts. They're not quick like, hey, make me a children's book. They're long form prompts that act like a professional ghostwriter. So each prompt has replaceable keywords, and you can create a unique custom book in minutes by changing the keywords, by filling in the blanks. So you can churn out high quality books, bedtime story videos, printable story packs for Etsy, Kindle, your own site, Teacher Pay Teacher. There's some other ones that are basically, what's the one, I Pay Hip, I think. There's a few like that. And so all sorts of different ways to make money with this, and you can crank out a book. I'm going to heavily under exaggerate and say a book a day, but let's take a quick look inside again. You click the link and you come to my site. You'll scroll down, and there's a link at the bottom of the blog post. It's on KidsBook Mega Prompt, Business in a Box. Click it and you're on this page. I'm going to scroll to the top and just show you KidsBook Mega Prompt. And then there's lots of this huge writing. Create professional children's books instantly with 5,000 AI optimized prompts. I'm going to scream down through this. It's clicking, even if you've never done this before. So I'm going to scroll through all the bad stuff and get to complete the video system, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. So it's got all the important stuff: characters, vocabulary, age-appropriate vocabulary, emotional storytelling, strong moral lessons. These are kids' books, right? Consistent output, structured narratives, polished children's story narrative. This is the most complete children's book prompt system ever created. So, blah, 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 in categories. I'm going to scroll through this, 100 categories, 50 prompts per category, and I'm going to go down to there. Maybe that's not where I wanted to be. A little bit further. Well, okay, so here it is. You get, you're going to create unlimited stories. That's the the big part. You become a book creation machine, a publishing business starter, and you can actually sell the products for profit. So click the link in the video description. Go check out KidsBook Mega Prompt at selfhelpforyou.com. Links in the video description. Go check it out. For it's under 10 bucks for the Excel version, under 15 bucks for the PDF, which is probably the one you want to get. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from selfhelpforyou.com and marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go check out KidsBook Mega Prompt and create unlimited children's books. Amazing. For under 15 bucks.